Are you looking for the best electric scooters for kids? In this video, we will look at some of the best electric scooters for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. OUTSTORM Folding Electric Scooter for Adults. One of the options for the best electric scooter for heavy adults that's also a folding contraption is the OUTSTORM Folding Electric Scooter for Adults. Armed with an arsenal of powerful features, the scooter is perfect for heavier riders who are looking for a compact and packable scooter. The scooter recharges in less than 7 hours and can travel 53 miles on a single charge, and can reach maximum speeds of 56 miles per hour. Moreover, this folding electric scooter comes with cruise control, dual motor control, 2 power modes, 3 speed modes on board, a digital speedometer, and even electronic brakes with regenerative charging for slipper/sandy surfaces. Boasting a 3200 W powered battery, the scooter also comes with a kickstand, a removable gel for long-distance comfort, running boards with colorful LEDs, and even LED headlights. Rounding up the features is the 11-inch off-road tires for a smooth ride over bumpy surfaces. At number 2. Schwinn Swagger 5T Electric Scooter. One of the best options for an electric scooter for heavy adults is the Schwinn Swagger 5T Electric Scooter. Costing just $300 to $450, the well-designed scooter comes in 2 colors, black and silver. Moreover, it has a weight capacity of 300 pounds, while weighing just 27.5 pounds, making it one of the most lightweight scooters. What's great is that it can be folded down into a compact package. Crafted from durable aerospace-grade aluminum, the scooter has side reflectors as well as front and rear LED lights for safety. Moreover, it even comes with a bell, a phone mount, and a water bottle holder for your comfort. You'll also find an LED display showing speed, gear, and battery status, and all the required controls right next to the handlebar. And finally, the multi-purpose power button can also be used to toggle the LED lights and change gears. At number 3. UNAGI Model 1E500 Dual Motor Folding Electric Scooter. The UNAGI Model 1E500 is one of the options for the best electric scooter for heavy adults. Weighing just 26 pounds, the scooter boasts a weight capacity of as much as 275 pounds, making this one a seriously heavy-duty and yet stylish mode of environmentally friendly transport. Sporting a gorgeously sleek frame, the E500 is made from super strong and lightweight materials, the same that is used in SpaceX projects. Moreover, the lightweight and extremely portable scooter sports dual motors that belt out a power of a whopping 500 W. So, your weight or large frame is definitely not going to be an issue, nor will hilly terrains or tricky roads. One of the best electric scooters for heavy adults, this one comes in unique shades of blue, blue-gray, and black and can reach maximum speeds of 15 miles per hour, with a top range of 15 miles. At number 4. Hiboy S2 Pro. The Hiboy S2 Pro is an absolute monster in the world of sustainable commuting and is the best electric scooter for adults, weighing 250 pounds. Boasting a weight capacity of 260 pounds, the electric scooter weighs just 26.3 pounds. What's more, it comes with a 350 W motor, which is what makes it an absolute beast. Thanks to that, it can reach maximum speeds of 18.6 miles per hour, and go up to distances as long as 30 miles. The best part is that it's foldable, which means that it can be packed for compact carrying or storage. It also has front and rear 10-inch solid tires with dual shock absorbers for maximum comfort even on bumpy and rough surfaces. Finally, it comes with an EABS regenerative anti-lock braking, disc braking, and ultra-bright headlights that have a range of up to 15 meters for safety. At number 5. UberScoot Electric Scooter. The UberScoot 1600W is the most powerful electric scooter we carry. Featuring an economy mode button to slow down acceleration and top speed to conserve battery life for those long rides. Powered by 48 volts and a 1600-watt motor, there won't be a hill you can't conquer. Comes standard with a quick-release seat, foldable locking frame, front and rear lights, large 11-inch knobby on-road/off-road tires and key ignition. This scooter does not disappoint. Topping the list of options for the best electric scooter for heavy adults is the snazzy UberScoot electric scooter, which uses panache from every facet. The swanky monster of a scooter comes with an optional seat, making it perfect for riders to comfortably sit down while getting around. What makes it one of the best electric scooters for heavy adults is the maximum weight capacity of 264 pounds against a weight of 74 pounds. The robust scooter boasts a 1200W battery which, when paired with even a single motor, offers a smooth ride. Adding to the comfort are the huge 12-inch off-road tires that boast great road clearance as well. With a well-designed front and rear disc brake system, the scooter reaches top speeds of 21 miles per hour, with a range of 14 miles.